Papa Juliet 2 stroke Papa Echo 1 Lima. Location. The antennas. 2x 8 element I0JX6. And you will see our accommodation. Hey. 2 operators resting after a long night digging the DX out of the pile-up. That's our barbecue for tonight. We will try to make some spare ribs. That's our moonrise. Behind the trees we have a mountain. This is our operating position. Equipment is stored inside right now. But tonight we will take it out and install it on this table. I have been on worse locations.